The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monroe County, southern Morgan County, Sullivan County, Knox County, southwestern Clay County, southern Owen County, Greene County, central Daviess County, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Sullivan to 7 miles west of Mount Carmel, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vincennes, Washington, Linton, Sullivan, Bloomfield, Spencer, Bicknell, Jacksonville, Worthington, Odin, Duggar, Gosport, Hira, Lyons, Carlisle, Elnora, Oaktown, Monroe City, Wheatland, and Bruceville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for South Central, Southwestern and West Central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Clay, Daviess, Greene, Knox, Monroe, Morgan, Owen, and Sullivan.